The distance between Durban and Jozini is 420 kilometers.
You know, we hit the road with a dream at AlgoAtWork Robotics Academy. A dream that took us through the heart of KwaZulu-Natal. Long drives, dusty roads, 8 different schools, and guess what we found? Pure potential. 260 eager young minds looking at us with wide-eyed wonder as they held the future in their hands. Robotics right there in their classrooms. The spark in their eyes, the excited whispers. That's a language we all understand. The language of curiosity. Our friends, Theatre and NGAGE stood with us. The teachers, well, they were the real heroes, opening their classrooms, their hearts to this new world of learning. But here's the truth, friend. This is just the beginning. These kids, these learners, hungry for more. They've had a taste of the future and they are not letting go, it seems. So we're asking you, yes you, let's make this happen together. Let's bring more opportunities to their doorstep. Let's keep the fire burning because AlgoAtWork Robotics Academy, we've seen what is possible. We've seen that when you ignite a young mind, the sky is not even the limit. AlgoAtWork Robotics Academy, come join us on this launch pad of unlimited possibilities.